guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Wix Forms. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, how do we actually use Wix Forms here? Well, using Wix Form itself is actually pretty easy. So first thing you need to do here is you need to access your website dashboard. Now from here, let's go and click on Edit Site at the top right of your screen. And from here, this would actually open up your editor. Now from our editor, we need to add our form. Now adding a form is actually pretty easy. So in this case, let's just wait for it to load up. But in this case, click on the plus button at the top left of your screen. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go to the option that says Contact and Forms. And from here, you need to choose the form that you want to use. So for example, maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and press on it and drag it into our website. In this case, it's going to add our form. It's going to say adding Wix Forms and payments. Now, you won't have to do anything here. It's going to add that automatically. But in this case, once it's actually fully added, you should be able to start editing your form. Now, if you click on form settings here, you'll have the option to change a few things. Like, for example, the settings. So, for example, if you want to change the email notification, submission table, or form submission limit, you could go ahead and do that as well. If you want to show a submit message here, you could go ahead and change that. So, the default one is going to be thanks for submitting. Now, if you want to add payment, this is where you'll be able to add them. Now, if you want to add conditions on it, you could go ahead and add rules. Now, if you want to add contacts, you could go ahead and do that as well. If you want to add automations, you should be able to do it in automations. Now, in this case, what if you want to add a new field? Well, in this case, it's actually pretty easy. Just click on Add New Field at the top section of your form here. And from here, you just need to indicate the form or the field that you want to add. For example, maybe we want to add a section for our birthday. Let's go and click on the plus button. It's going to automatically add that specific field. Now, in this case, you could do this for any of the field that you want to add. So in this case, once you've done, just click on X at the top right. Now, if you want to view the submissions that you'll be receiving on your Wix form here, just need to click on Form Settings here. And from the main menu here, just click on View Submission Table. And from here, you should be able to see all the submissions that you receive from your form. In this case, that includes the submission time, the first name, last name, email, write message, and birthday. Since we added a birthday line, it's going to automatically add a column for the birthday section here. But in this case, that's about it. So using Wix Forms is actually pretty easy and a simple process. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.